Hello friend, welcome. So our 24 game only supports 1 to 10, right? If we run again, we don't have JQK, right? There are two different flavors for 24 games. Some people prefer, right, playing from 1 to 10, and others will include JQK for 11, 12, and the K. Of course, the S is always 1. It's not 14. Yeah, this is 1, 14. Now, let's see why the current one only support, right, 1 to 10 is because we use this 10 here. If we change this one to 13, so we'll include, right, the 13 cards instead of just the 10 values. So that's, yeah, because it's duplicated 4 times here, so that's defined a constant here. Let max number, right, equals, let's use 13 for now. So we should be able to see JQK, right? Run it. Oh, okay. So cannot convert value that unsigned int 32-bit to expect value int. So this one, yeah, is the type of that is different from this one. So we can do this because we can change, right, cast that thing to int first, then we can calculate this expression. Okay, now let's run it to see JQK. No, it's still missing. The reason is here. There's no, we have like, for example, 7H, 7 heart, but we don't have 11 heart or 12 heart, right? We use letter here, J, Q, K, like J for 11, Q for 12, K, but the image name is using those letters. Now how can we fix that? The logic is not here, it's inside our view model, right? View model will translate the model data to the UI representation there. So it's here. So we already have the code to check 1. If it's 1, we use A instead of 1 something. Okay, now we need to modify this part. Let's use a switch. Okay, switch. Interesting, there's no auto complete. Oh, by the way, here because this one is the this closure is the last parameter in this initializer, so we can make it simple. We can remove this one and take the closure out of the parentheses. It still works. Yeah, so the missing part is JQK, I think. Now let's fix that. Switch, yeah, there's no auto complete, but if we put it outside of the closure, switch, no, oh, this is this For example, if we define a function, a normal function here, and if we type switch, we should be able to get the, yeah, you see? But inside, I don't know why. It might be a problem of the Xcode. Inside the closure, the auto complete failed. Okay, so we can copy this one and put it here if you like, or you can just type out switch structure directly. So switch the number, right? So if it's 11, oh, let's start from 1. If it's 1, then our number string will be 8, right? And we'll do the same thing for 11 and 12 and 13. So 11 will be J, 12 will be Q, and 13 will be K. This is only to match, right, the naming here, right? J for Jack, 11. Okay, now let's go back. So default, we can just use this, right? And now we can remove this part. String leader is unused. Oh, I missed this part. Is that okay now? Yeah, it compiles. Okay, so run it. Cool. You see? Can we do this one? Friend, have you figured out what is the answer? 24, right? So K minus queen is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. Now let's test with our text version. Okay, so let's go to here and switch to the text version like that. Hopefully everything will work as expected. 13, right? So what about this one? 13, 8, 8, 6. So okay, so there's a 2 here, 5, 3, so 2. Yeah, I haven't figured out that. So 6, 2, and 7. Wow. Yeah, not all the problem, right? Not all the problems have an answer. It works. Let's try it again to see if it's random. Is it always 13 there? No way. The first one is always 13. Oh, no. Wow. Okay. I think it works. That's great. Yeah. Now let's switch back to show our beautiful JQK cards. the higher cards. Okay, king. That's great. Okay, so all red. Okay, cool. Let's make a commit. Extend. No, it's not extend. Actually, we make the game, the 24 game, make the 24 game supporting JQK, or include, made it include JQK. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.